So this one's the citrus attachment. Again, making life easier, getting more plant-based nutrition is what Kuvings is all about. And hey, healthy at the same time. Okay, so that's just simple, it sits on. You've probably all seen the old school where you use your hands and squeeze out some juice. Well, this one is going to have a bit of power on it. So see, when I press down, it spins for me and does the work for me. So I've got some oranges here. Show you how easy it is just to start making orange juice. If you're getting up in the morning and you just want an orange juice, you don't want to use the whole juicer, and you just want to squeeze out the flesh, then this is the way to do it. Get this attachment and you'll find how simple and easy it is. Now, what I want to do is show you, I've got another one over there before I finish. Okay, so this way, when we use this attachment, we're juicing the flesh. We're just juicing the flesh. If I use the juicer to make the orange, then what I want to do is we want to remove the orange peel, because we don't want that going through the juicer. It's too bitter taste. It's going to ruin the taste of your juice. But what you want to do is leave on that white outside pith, because that white pith has lots of nutrients. And so if you're using your juicer to make orange juice, leave that white outside pith on. If you want quick and fast and you just want the flesh, then use the attachment to make it.